In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your web page by adding a unique background image to a strip. This is a wonderful way to make your content stand out while giving your site an aesthetically pleasing appearance. Let's begin by navigating to the editor. Once you're there, look for the Add button, which you will find among the various tools typically located to the left of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a menu with various options for what you can add to your page. From this list, choose Strip, which allows you to create sections on your page that can be edited independently. For our purpose, go ahead and select a blank strip. This will provide a clean canvas for your new background. Now that you have your blank strip ready, it's time to customize it. Click directly on the strip. Doing this will reveal another menu. From this helpful selection of options, choose Change Background. This will allow you to transform that blank space into something much more captivating. When the background options appear, you'll want to select Image. This step is crucial because it allows us to either pick an image from the media you already have stored or upload a brand new one that fits the theme or style of your website. If you choose to upload an image, make sure it's high quality and properly represents the look and feel you are aiming to achieve. After you've chosen or uploaded your image, the next step is to ensure that your strip extends across the full width of the web page. This creates seamless integration with your site's overall design. To check this, look at the placement of the strip on the page. Make sure it stretches from one end of the screen to the other. If it doesn't, adjust its settings until it runs the entire width. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures that your site looks professional and well thought out. And there you have it. By adding an eye-catching background image to a strip, you provide an important visual cue to your website visitors, enhancing their browsing experience. Feel free to experiment with different images and placements to see what works best for your content. As always, remember to preview your changes before finalizing them to ensure everything looks just right. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you go on to make your webpage truly unique and engaging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great tips and tricks to elevate your online presence.